Right, we are rolling.
Good morning.
Starlight. Buenos dias. Welcome to our PBIS assembly this morning.
We are so excited to share some new things with you.
So what is PBIS? ¿Qué es PBIS?
I wonder, what is that PBIS thing anyway?
Oh, but you know, we have a couple friends here who are going to tell you a little bit about it.
Let's go. Hey, friends, where are you? Are you here somewhere? Hey, where'd you go?
Where are our friends?
Oh, there. Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
hey, I recognize you. Oops, that's you. Okay.
Here we go. Let's see. Oh, hey, I recognize you. Are you a Starlight student?
I am. I remember you too. Isn't your name Tortuga? Yo soy Jerry. ¿Cómo estás?
Hey, I'm pretty good. Yeah, I'm Tortuga. Sometimes they just call me Torty for fun. I'm trying so hard to be a good student in distance learning, but you know, sometimes it's pretty tough. I'm trying to participate. I'm trying to turn in all my assignments to my teacher. My teacher is great, you know, but sometimes I'm confused. Do you have any ideas on how to strive for excellence during distance learning? I really want to do my best.
Claro que sí. Tienes que mostrar tu sass. Remember, Starlight students show their sass every day, even during distance learning.
SASS, I show my sass. That's right. We have to show, what was it now? We have to show, what's the first one?
Show respect.
Oh, yeah, show respect. And we have to act responsibly. Oh, and this is my favorite one, solve problems. I'm a good problem solver. And we need to strive for excellence. Excellence. I used to always get SAS tickets last year on the playground, in the cafeteria. Even Miss Danae would give out SAS tickets. I loved when Miss Medina would call my name during those assemblies or by friends in my class. That was so cool. I wonder, can we still show SAS through the computer?
Claro que sí. Siempre llego a tiempo a la clase. I'm always ready and prepared with my materials every morning. I like to use my camera too because my teacher can see my work.
Oh, I like to show my camera too. I have my camera on too. I like to show my teacher all my work on my whiteboard, on my screen, on my wall. No, not on my wall. No, that's not right. It's great when I can do my work the right way. I like doing it correct. And then my teacher can see it and tell me if I'm doing it right, because I really want to do it right.
Me too. I like to show my teacher my work on my whiteboard. It's great when I do my work correctly. Mi maestra siempre me ayuda con mis tareas. I like to see my friends in class too. We still have a Starlight community here.
That's right. Even though we are apart, kind of far apart, we are all still together. We're all learning. We're all part of the Starlight family.
Tortuga, it was nice to see you today, but I have to get to class. And I think Miss Medina's going to pull some SAS tickets today. We have a virtual assembly.
No way! A virtual assembly? Oh, I wonder if I might win something. Take care. See you later.
Cuídate. All right, boys and girls.
All right.
You like our friends, Jerry and Tortuga?
You might see them again in the future.
So we are going to talk to you a little bit about positive behavior, interventions, and support, PBIS. What is that?
PBIS. The first one is show respect. The second one is act responsibly. The third one is solve problems. And the fourth one, strive for excellence. That means to do your very best all the time.
And somos bilingües. En español se muestra respeto, actúa responsablemente, soluciona problemas y se esfuerza por la excelencia.
So when you enter the classroom, we want to be sure that you show respect by having your video on so the teacher can see you and know that you're doing what you need to be doing. To act responsibly, to be dressed for school, because when you're dressed for school, you're in a good mindset and ready to learn. We want you to be able to solve problems and to have a distraction-free space, somewhere where you can sit and have a quiet learning space, and you can strive for excellence by having all your materials ready every day so you're ready to go. You don't have to go hunt around for things.
¿Cómo usamos SAS en la clase? ¿Cuándo entramos a la clase? Pues tienes que tener su cámara prendida, tienes que estar bien vestido, listo para la clase. Necesitas un espacio sin distracciones y siempre tienes tus materiales preparados y disponibles para aprender.
Now, sometimes we work in a whole group with everyone together. Sometimes we work in a small group. So this one is for whole group. When we're all together, we can show our respect by using kind words and kind faces. We can act responsibly by using the chat appropriately. We can solve problems. We can mute while others are speaking. And we can strive for excellence by encouraging others and encouraging ourselves.
Pues durante la clase con todo el grupo es importante que usas palabras y caras amigables. Tienes que usar el chat apropiadamente. Apaga tu micrófono cuando otros están hablando. Y tenemos que animarnos uno a otros. Ustedes pueden hacerlo.
And when we're in small group and we're learning with 3 or 4 or 5 of our friends, we can show respect by respecting all cultures and opinions. We can act responsibly by remembering stop, leave, and talk. We can solve problems, by encouraging others to participate, and we can strive for excellence by staying on topic and not wandering off and talking about other things that aren't that important.
So, en grupos pequeños, tenemos que respetar siempre los demás, sus opiniones, su cultura, todo de la otra gente. También, para ser responsable, si algo está pasando que no le gusta, tienes que parar, salir y hablar sobre el problema. Para solucionar problemas, siempre animarnos a otros a participar en la clase y siempre hablamos sobre el tema del tópico.
And there are times of the day when you work all by yourself, your independent work time. You can take care of your own materials. That's showing respect. You can use only safe and appropriate websites. That's the way to act responsible. You can share the space with your family. That's a good way to solve problems. And you can turn your assignments in on time. That's a way you can strive for excellence.
All right. Y otra cosa que puede ser para ser responsable y usar su SAS es siempre cuida a tus materiales, porque esos son para la escuela. Usa solamente sitios de web apropiados. Comparte su espacio con tu familia y siempre tienes que entregar las tareas a tiempo.
Wow. We have a mascot who's going to come visit us today. It's the new Starlight mascot, and we are going to be asking you to help us come up with a name for our new mascot. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey there, boys and girls.
Yay.
Happy to be here. I didn't know that Starlight needed a mascot. I want to be your mascot, but guess what? I don't have a name. Yo quiero ser su mascota, pero la cosa es, no tengo nombre. ¿Me pueden ayudar, niños, con eso? Por favor.
All right. Thank you so much for visiting, Mr. Mascot, Mrs. Mascot, the mascot. Here we go. We are going to have a rapid SAS celebration. listen for your name, and come to school for a prize any Monday during the distribution. That's today, a distribution. Now, these students have been showing their SAS, and the teachers have been sending us the names of those students, and we're going to share them right now with you. Here we go.
All right, normalmente clase o estudiantes reciben esos boletos de staff, esos boletos acá. Y reciben un lápiz y un premio, ¿verdad? Pero ahora, porque estamos aprendiendo en distancia, estamos haciéndolo en una manera diferente. Ustedes pueden venir a la escuela para recibir su premio cada lunes durante la distribución. Okay, drum roll, please. The winners for this week are from Miss Haley's class, William and, Miss Haley and Miss Lena's class, William and Jonathan Melgoza, woohoo! From Miss De La Peña's class, Savannah Hernandez, Jacqueline Monroy, Isabel Medina, Andrew Franco. From Miss Sheffield's class, Noah Ayala, Juan Zamora, y Natalia Garcia. From Miss Jimenez's class, Juan Pablo de Jesus Marin, Waldo Ayon, Angie Herrera, Evelyn Benitez. From Miss Magaña's class, Araceli Flores, Juan Gonzalez, Meliane Abonce. From Miss Workman's class, Christian Tapia, Adilene Aguilera, Jacel Ariano, Michaela Serrano, David Calderon, Lena Avalos, Zolene, Lamir, Sildane, David Rodriguez, and from Miss Levi's class, Juan Pablo Rodriguez, from Miss Tigan's class, Victor de la Torre, y Ivan Correa. Muy bien hecho. Woo! You guys can come and get a pencil any Monday.
All right, good job. Felicidades, congratulations. We know all of you can show your SAS in distance learning time, and we look forward to having lots more winners in the future. So coming up this week, we have a special event. We have Picture Day. Yes, we are going to have a Picture Day. And you will be coming to school to get your picture taken Thursday or Friday this week. Thursday is the big picture day, and we have already sent the times out to your parents. So on Thursday, TK and Kinder are coming at 11 in the morning. First grade and second grade at 12 o'clock. Third grade at 1 o'clock. Fourth grade at 3 o'clock. And fifth grade at 4 o'clock. And the teachers and staff at 5 o'clock. On Friday, if you can't make it on Thursday, we're doing makeups on Friday, and you can see the times that are a little bit different in case you need a different time of day and your parents have those times.
Y ya mandamos esa información, pero vamos a tener el día de foto este jueves y este viernes. So, ya mandamos esta información con sus padres sobre el día de foto. Pero hay dos opciones. Queremos que la mayoría de la gente viene jueves, pero si no puedes venir este día, en este tiempo, puedes venir viernes. ¿Está bien? Si tienen preguntas, pregunta a tu maestra o a la oficina. Oh,
Halloween's coming.
Happy Halloween, you guys. Halloween is this Saturday. Can you believe that? It's going to be so cool. Mr. Level, do you have a costume?
I have a whole cupboard full of costumes.
What's he gonna be?
I don't know. I'll have to go through them and pick my favorite one.
I have a great big box of costumes. I can't wait. But remember, it's not really safe to go out in the community right now. So we are making a big event, a virtual event for you guys. So this Saturday, we are going to host an event where we make a pie together. We get to come and show off our costumes. We're going to do a parade, story time. It's going to be a really fun event. And then we're going to eat the pie together. So it's important when you come on Thursday or Friday for Picture Day, you come and you get all the pie ingredients. You'll get the pumpkin mix, you'll get the crust, you'll even get whipped cream. All right? So vamos a tener un evento este sábado, el 30 de octubre para Halloween. Y todos pueden participar en este evento virtual. Vamos a mostrar nuestros trajes, vamos a hacer un desfile, voy a leer un libro con ustedes acerca del tema Halloween y vamos a colorear y comer pie juntos. Ojalá que todos puedan venir. Ustedes van a recibir los materiales en los días de fotos. So vienen el jueves o viernes para recibir todo lo que necesitan para este evento virtual. And
All right, we did it.
we did it. It was our first assembly.
Yay. So you got to be reminded about SAS. We got to give out some prizes today. You got to see our mascot. You heard about Picture Day, and you heard about Halloween celebration on Saturday.
Remember, we really would like your help in naming our mascot. The cute little star, but the star doesn't have a name. So help us out. We hope you guys have a wonderful day, okay? You take care, and we will see you soon. Adios.
Adios. Bye-bye.
Okay. It will be saved to Mr. Lovell's drive.